Today, we learn about book meeting, how to download and install it on laptop and desktops in Windows 7, 8, 9, and 10. Book meeting is very popular in China, but if you are think about globally, many people do not know about it. So stay with me till the end and hopefully you learn something completely new. So first of all, I'm the Hussein Manik, Senior Lecturer, Department of Civil Engineering, Chittagong Institute of Engineering Technology, which is called by CHEERS, and it's affiliated by Chattogram University. And here is my contact number, my mobile, my email number. So, what is Book Meeting? A Book Meeting is an app like Zoom or Google Meet or others meetings software. We can use it instead of the Zoom, Google Meets, or others meeting software. Especially the student in China, the people in China use it. So the student who go to China in first time, maybe this video will helpful to you how to download and install Book Meeting and how to use it. So you can learn a completely new things from my video. Okay, so now we can see comparisons among VooV, Zoom, and Google Meet. So, VooV meeting is based on China, but the Zooms and Google Meet is based in the globally. Zoom meeting is used for the educations, business, or general uses, but Google Meet is very popular for workspace. Book meeting has a free plan but has some limitations, and Zoom is also some free plan but with good features. And the Google Meet you can use the free features maximum 1 hour. And the performance in Book meeting in China was excellent, whereas the Zoom and the Google Meet was restricted, maybe restricted. So the people in China, the student in uh, China, they use Book meeting instead of Zoom and Google Meet. So now we go to download and install process. First of all, go to your default search engine. So I go to my search engine, Microsoft Edge, then write VooV meeting downloads in Windows. VooV meeting download Windows. Okay. Then click here. If it's not working automatically, then click to download. But if it start download, so you don't need to click here. Just wait few minutes. Just wait few minutes. We'll let 20 more seconds. Okay, the download is complete. Now you can go the open file locations. So I go to download file. So here's my apps. Then click run as administrator. Then click yes. Then select English. You can also select Chinese or your own language that having these apps. But I select English. Then press OK. Then there is a agreement. So you maybe read this or if you have time, but if you don't have the time, so you don't need to read this. Just click I agree. Then click install. You can install process. So it will take some time. It will take some time. Wait few minutes. It will take some time. So don't lose your patience. The initial process is still pending. So wait few minutes. So the installation process is complete. So just click finish. Then okay, it will run automatically. Okay. This is the pop-up windows of Boost meeting. So you can join, you can start, you can schedule your meeting, you can share your screen. So if you can join, so just enter your meeting ID, just rename you can also uncheck it, connect audio if you uncheck it so your audio is not hearing. If you also uncheck your video, your mics, your beauty, okay. And this is starting meeting. You can also start a meeting with any persons at any time. So it will connecting. It will connecting. So wait few minutes. Okay, maybe it will working. Maybe it will working. So click PC audio. If you do not click it, so the guest is not hearing your audio, or also you cannot hear his audio or her audio. So it's you can also see the video. If you click the sound mute, so no can hear your sound. If you unmute it, so you can so the other persons hear your voice, your sound. You can also uncheck your video. If you uncheck your video, no can see you, but if you check the video or click the video, so you can also so the others is also show your video or faces. And you can also share your screen. How to share? Just click here. Then then what you need, just click on it. So if I click about it or about it, just share. Okay, 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 it is sharing. You can also still sharing, just click here stop. So you can also record your meeting. You can also chat. You can also see who are in your meeting. You can also invite other persons. So everything in there, like the Zooms, like the Google Meets. So you can also end your meeting. Can't your meeting. So your meeting is end. So thank you. Hopefully you learn something completely new. Thank you.